Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix Meta Glass's charging case not working. First, unplug the charging case from the power source and let it rest for about 30 seconds. Then plug it back in using a known good USB-C cable and a wall charger that is rated for at least 5 volts and 1 amp. Next, remove your glasses from the case. Inspect the metal contact pads on both the case and the glasses. These can collect dirt, oil, or moisture. If there is debris or liquid detected, charging may not occur and you may see a red blinking LED. After cleaning, place the glasses back into the case and check the LED indicator. If the case shows no light, or it flashes red, you will want to try a factory reset of the case. With the glasses removed, press and hold the button on the back of the case for at least 16 seconds until the LED begins to flash white, then release. This resets the charging case hardware. If the case still will not charge, try a different USB-C cable and power adapter. Sometimes the charger is the issue. Also ensure the case and glasses are at normal room temperature. Charging may stop if the device is too hot or too cold. Following these steps will fix the issue for most users. Thanks for watching.